Alagang hayop ng kapitbahay na nakapanira ng mga pananim. Ano ang pwedeng ireklamo? Good day everyone. My name is Joshua A. Villanueva, 4th year Bachelor of Science in Criminology at DIMSU, Ilo. Today, I will discuss the topic, alagang hayop ng kapitbahay na nakapanira ng mga pananim. Ano ang pwedeng ireklamo? For example, ang baka, ang kambing, o iba pang alagang hayop ng kapitbahay ay nakapasok sa inyong taniman at nasira ang inyong mga pananim. Ang unang hakbang ay makipag-usap ng maayos sa may-ari ng hayop upang maresolba ang problema. If the issue cannot be resolved, you may file a complaint before the Lupon Tagapamayapak or Barangay under Republic Act No. 7160, also known as the Local Government Code of 1991. Dispute between parties living in the same city or municipality are generally required to undergo katarungang pambarangay or barangay conciliation before they can be brought to the court. If it is proven that the animal caused damage, the owner may also be required to pay compensation under Article 2183 of the Civil Code of the Philippines. The owner of an animal is liable for the damage it causes, even if the animal escaped or wandered away, unless there is a legal reasons that exempt the owner from liability. It is important to prioritize peaceful communication, mediation, and compliance with the proper legal process. This helps prevent conflicts from escalating and promotes harmony within the community. That's all everyone. Thank you and have a good day.